Uses: used in laundries as washing soda, used as softening of water, used as laboratory reagents, used in textile and petroleum. Also it is used in glass, soap and paper industries, and it is also used for removing permanent hardness of water. Baking soda. Chemical name of the baking soda is sodium bicarbonate, and the molecular formula NaHCO3, and the molecular weight is 84. And the preparation method: it is prepared by the passing carbon dioxide in a concentrated solution of sodium hydroxide or sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2 2NaHCO3. And the physical properties: it is a white crystalline solid, springly soluble in water. And the chemical properties are: on heating it loses carbon dioxide and water, forming sodium carbonate 2NaHCO3. On heating it, Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. It reacts with acid to form salt, and water and carbon dioxide is liberated. It reacts with acid NaHCO3 plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O plus carbon dioxide formed, and its aqueous solution is alkaline due to the formation of NaOH. NaHCO3 plus H2O plus H2O, NaOH, and plus H2CO3. And the uses: used in the preparation of baking soda, used for production of carbon dioxide, used in making effervescent drink, used in fire extinguishers. And then after that, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris, molecular formula CaSO4 half H2O, hemihydrated calcium sulfate, and the chemical formula is calcium sulfate hemihydrated. This formula suggested that only half a water molecule, half H2O, is present as a water of crystallization, but it is not possible to have half a molecule of water. Actually, two formula unit of CaSO4 shared 1 molecules of water. Therefore, the formula of plaster of Paris may also be written as 2 CaSO4 H2O. It is important to know that CaSO4 half H2O and 2 CaSO4 H2O are same compound, and the preparation method is Gypsum. Gypsum means CaSO4 2H2O. Gypsum CaSO4 2H2O. When it is heated on 100 degrees Celsius 373 Kelvin, or it is formed plaster of Paris. CaSO4 half H2O, plaster of Paris. Plus H2O. Gypsum.